What the hell? We are Adi and Mira. So 4 months ago I moved to the Netherlands, and since then we have been exploring places around. And in this video we captured the first real snowfall of this year. And of course we had a lot of hot chocolate. So since the beginning of this year, winter has not been really pretty. There has been mostly overcast days, and it has been raining quite a bit. But then one day we see this in the news.
Weerexperts voorspellen een bar en boos weekend.
Op sommige plekken wordt ruim 20 centimeter sneeuw verwacht.
Zondag komen de temperaturen voor een tijd niet meer boven 0 uit.
And then the next day we woke up to what I didn't really expect. Yes, there was snow everywhere. And the next thing you know is we're outside in the deserted streets of The Hague.
Oh, the snow is in my eyes standing here. I just wanted to say, I just wanted to say, this snow is not that common in the Netherlands. Like the last time we had this, I can't even remember. Like a few weeks ago we had a little bit of snow, but normally there's snow and the next day it's gone. But this will stay for, I think, for a week or so.
Have you guys watched that movie called Day After Tomorrow? That's what we feel like, because we haven't seen anybody on the streets. There's literally like 3 or 4 people, and we also found someone whose car got stuck.
I'm so cold. But we go on. We have to explore more.
So guys, we finally found a place where they're open for hot chocolate. That's right behind us.
So we're having this hot chocolate, and yeah, it's so nice. Like, hot chocolates are the best in this kind of weather.
So after the hot chocolate, guys, we're at the city center, and we can see a lot of people playing with snow in the background. What are you doing? Don't do it.
No, I don't. Otherwise we get cold and Adi is going to complain that he wants to go home.
No, I don't complain. Yeah.
Adi! In my face!
It's too cold. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god.
Payback time, he just did it with me. We made it to the city center of The Hague and we are at the government buildings. And we have been here many times, but I've never seen them in snow, and it's really pretty. And there's like a little lake next to it, so I'm really curious if there's ice on it.
Yeah, there's a little snowstorm here, so I think we're going home, and we feel like temperature dropped like almost 5 or 6 degrees more. On the internet it still shows that it's -7, but yeah, everything looks just so pretty. Look at this, the government building.
And you would think getting home, oh, just a little walk, but we still have to do like 4 Ks going home.
Yeah, it's a long walk.
It's an hour walk.
We didn't realize how far we walked, and now we have to walk back. Alright guys, so it is freezing cold outside, and you have to count how many clothes I'm wearing. So that was 1, 2 layers, 4. So this is 3. And also, I don't have snowshoes because I didn't really expect to see this weather super soon. So I had a really cool hack for you guys. So guys, what I did was, I am actually wearing a plastic bag because I didn't want my socks to get wet, and it did a really good job. So if you see my socks, they are super dry. So what do you guys think of that hack? Am I the only stupid person who is doing that, or? And also guys, the snow is not just for today, it's also gonna be tomorrow. So tomorrow we have a big adventure planned because we are going to the Meijendel park and we'll do this hike which is from Meijendel to the Hague. So we hope that we survive.
Day 2 of winter weather in the Netherlands, and we decided to go on a hike. And I think Adi does not realize that this hike will last for, I don't know, 3 more hours or so.
3 more hours.
And it's freezing, and the wind feels like, I think they said on the news, like -13. And yeah, we have some proper clothes, but we don't really have that good clothes for winter. We just wear like normal jeans, but we will manage. I'm so happy we found this place in the middle of our hike where they sell hot chocolates with slagroom. It's really just what we needed. We still have to go like 8 k's, I think. So yeah, it's good to get some energy before we face the cold again.
And while doing treks like this, we often ask ourselves why we are doing this. We don't need to be in this cold. We don't need to walk for 10 to 15 kilometers while our feet are frozen.
So we are here in the middle of Meijendel and there's no one around us because I think no one is so crazy to go for a hike in this weather, and the snow is getting worse and we still have some hours, I guess, left until we reach home. So I really hope we are home before dark.
But then the alternative, which is sitting at home and missing out on this snowfall, which we might not even experience for another year, is scary. And everybody was telling us that the snow like this, it has not happened in Netherlands for a while. So we are pretty lucky, and that's why we wanted to just make the most out of it. And the hot chocolate really helped. It did really help.
The hot chocolate is so good.
I don't know if it was the cold or the weather, but that was one of the best hot chocolates I've had since I've come here. It was really good. What's it called? Maybe you guys should try it out if you come here.
The boerderij in Meijendel. It's like you have Meijendel, it's like a nature park, and then in the middle there's a farm. Boerderij.
We'll put the name. Put the name here. So yeah, if you guys are around, make sure to check out their hot chocolate and try it with whipped cream, of course. And we had that with stroopwafel, so that was so delicious. The thing with nature is, it shows its extraordinary beautiful sides once in a while, and we don't want to let them go without experiencing it to the fullest.
So we are walking now for almost 3 hours, so we are really cold and we still have really a long time to go, and it's getting dark, and yeah, it's almost 6, so we really have to hurry up, but I'm not sure where we are, so
hopefully we finish this last leg of this walk soon. And we also took some photos back there, so if you guys follow us on Instagram, you would see some beautiful photos. So yeah, if you're not following us, just follow us at Let's Meet Abroad, and yeah, we post stories and we post photos from our adventures. I'm sure you guys would like it if you guys like our videos.
We really would like to know who you guys are, so yeah, if you follow us on Instagram, we can follow you back, and then we also get to know you a bit more, because yeah, I'm really curious who is watching our videos.
And after 5 hours of walking, we managed to find our way home. And it was just another reminder for us to let us know what really makes us feel alive. Alright guys, so just finished editing the video and I totally forgot to say anything in the end. So yeah, I want to say to you guys now that thank you so much everybody for watching, and we really hope that you liked our videos and you liked all the snow stuff. And guess what? The snow is still here and it's sunny today, but there was no snowfall after that day. And yeah, we enjoyed a lot, and we hope that you guys enjoyed as well. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel and give a like to this video. It just helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much.